job, Sid. Yeah.
Hot, baby. Wait a minute. You can have a piece.
Good job.
Okay, let's cut the cake, okay?
Sid. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. How old are you? Come here. Come here. Come. No, this is video. Come here. Come say hi to the video camera. How old are you? Hey, Sydney, how old are you today?
Good job.
Sid, how old are you?
You did a good job. Good job. You get the first piece. There you go, baby. You want to sit down over here?